So let me just prove this to you that all the points are here. I'm going to go to List and click on All, and then click OK, and it's going to show me all these. That's all my points in the whole coordinate file. That's under this particular CRDB. As you can see up here, it's called 25-201. That's the CRDB for this. That's all the points are there. I've deleted them. In Carlson, you're actually just putting the point element in the drawing. That's not the same as the actual database where the points are. This is one of the things I love about Carlson, is because those are separate things. I can have the drawing all whatever I want it to do, but I've still got this database of my actual points in there that I can rely on and pull into my drawing at any time I want to. So that's what I'm going to do now. Draw and locate. And now I can go set a particular shape. If I click set, not shape, but point symbol, I can do whatever kind of, you can see the various point symbols that are shown here. So I'm going to just go ahead and use the default one there at the SPT10. That's the one I've selected as my default. You can go through and look at what's going to show up with this, descriptions, elevations. This is another discussion to get into more details about what all these mean. For right now, point numbers is correct. Starting with point number doesn't really matter because I'm going to do this by point group, but I could actually just set these by point number as well. And you can erase and draw the previous ones. You can allow duplicates. You can draw only the new ones, whatever you want to do. I typically use erase and redraw because I don't want to have points on top of points on top of points. So the next thing to do, it defaults here to the symbol size scalar, 0.08 and 0.08. This is coming from my minimum text size that I use for in paper space or layout space is a 0.08. This is also gets scaled based on the scale of the drawing, which we set earlier in the drawing setup. It's another video, and you can set the different scale, and it changes these things for you. Or you can change it right here on the fly. I can make these the text size a lot smaller if I want to, which is also another way of dealing with the conglomeration of all the points together. You can actually change this right here to a different size. It's very easy to do that, and then just show all of them, and you can have the points, the points also smaller here, and the biggest one is the text with those points and make that a lot smaller. So you can zoom up on it, but now all the points aren't completely on top of each other in terms of readability. I use a default layer name of Z or V-points, PNTS, based on the National CAD standard, the NCS. You don't have to do that. You can actually go out and select a particular one or make up your own right here, and it will add that layer in, which is very handy. At this point, to draw this, I actually want to draw not with a point range or not all the points together. You can also do screen pick. You can enter and assign points. This is all where you would do that. All I want to do here is going to go draw point group. So click on draw point group, and it lets me select which one I want. In this case, I'm just going to go with TBC, and then I'm going to click OK, and it draws all my TBCs in there.